2A NPM 224110. Risk can be said to be opportunity for the loss or distribution more. What the risk can be defined as the possibility of an unstable outcome during or the upside of the desired one. In the financial industry in general, there is a jargon history about returns, meaning that if you want to obtain greater results, return is the profit obtained by companies, individuals, and institutions from the result investment policy carried out according R.G. Shook. Return is an investment profit actor together some other meaning on return. Return and equality is net income divided by shareholder equity. Return of capital is a one-time cash payment to shareholders that represents the return invested capital and not a dividend distribution. Investor reduce investment costs by the amount of the payout. Return of investment or the return on investment is deriving income before tax by investment to obtain a number that reflects the relationship between investment and profit. Return on investment capital or return on investment capital is the company net income and interest expense divided by the company's total capitalization. Realized return is a return thus the occurrent return on the network or the return on the worth is the shareholder who can determine its return by comparing net profit after tax with her net worth. Return on sales or return on sales is to determine the efficiency of company operation on cam the percentage of the net sales which reflect the profit against the same variables from the previous period. Experience return in the return that investor hope to obtain in the future. Relationship between understanding risk and rate of return. It's a linear or unilateral. The higher the rate of return, the higher the risk. The greater the assets we place in investment decision, the greater the risk arising from the investment. Linear conditions are only possible in normal markets. Investment is a commitment of a certain amount of funds or other resources made at this time with the aim of obtaining a certain amount of profit in the future. We invest because we want to improve prosperity. Welfare in this case is monetary welfare, both now and in the future by purchasing an asset which is expected to be resold in the future at higher value. Wording speaker, there are two types of assets that can be used as investment vehicle, namely investing in financial asset can be done in two ways, namely an indirect direct means that investor buy the company financial asset, not directly buying stock from investment companies that have a portfolio on financial asset from together companies. The most basic thing an investor must the risk always follows the return. conclusion, when talk about confidential incomes are the safest type of financial investment to other types of investment in the financial market, they are also not free from risk both in the from systematic and risks in their determining investment decision related to fixed income securities. Investor can reduce the risk and the return performance of fixed income financial instrument. Thank you.